The PDWare approach to resource planning relies on the direct manager of individual contributors for data about resource utilization, availability, and capability. This is a critically important element of a successful portfolio management and resource planning process. You can read more about this in the blog section of our website. In this video, I will play the role of the manager of a team of mechanical engineers. I have been asked by my manager to support the investigation phase of the Grandview project, which starts next month. I know from experience that this will require about half time from an experienced mechanical engineer. So I look at the resource utilization view where I see my organization listed, all the people, and in each time period, I see the total demand from all projects divided by their capacity. Where demand exceeds their capacity, we highlight in red. Where demand is significantly less than capacity, we highlight in dark blue. I see that Joe Poteet has half-time availability in May and June when I need someone, and I assign him to the project. Now I have an assignment row showing Joe on the Grandview project, and all I have to do is express the level of effort required, which I said was half-time. And I'm done with my forecasting for the project at this point in time. In June, however, Joe comes to me to discuss the resource plan from mechanical engineering for the rest of the project, since the project is going to be going through its definition phase review at the end of June. We don't know for sure who we're going to put on this project, especially during later phases, and we don't even know for sure if the project is going to be approved to continue. So we put in a skill assignment. I select the mechanical engineering skill from my list, and now I put in the level of effort required from someone in my organization who has that skill. And in the design and development phases, we've agreed that it's going to take one full-time equivalent level of effort. So the level of effort goes up in the design and development phase, and then in the system test phase, it will go back down to half-time. And that will continue through the first month of verification. I'm now done with my forecasting for the Grandview project, and I simply save the data back to the database. At this point in time, I have completed a full resource plan for Grandview for my organization. If every other functional manager has done the same thing, then in the database, there is a complete resource plan from all of the functions in the organization. The project manager can review that resource plan and agree or not with the scope and level of effort that's being provided by all of the functions. And when they go through the phase review, everyone will be in agreement.